Alright, so we're getting ready to take this head off. A couple things you're going to need. You're going to need a T55, it's kind of a star. Those are going to be for your head bolts. You're also going to need to then take off, there's a few little Allen heads around here, but those are the main ones right there. So let's see if we can't pull those off. And we may have to get a cheater bar for this. Yep, we might have to. Damn. Whew. My goodness. Okay, 12 of these big ones. Woo! Okay, now, right up here. Nope, too big. So that is a 5mm down there. There it is, got it. Okay, that's it, and it holds the rail guide, chain rail guide, into there. So let's take that out. Nope, we're going to make a bigger one of those. So we'll hold off. You have some of these. Get those off real quick. So it looks like you have 3 of these on this side right here. And they're all the same size, okay. So there's 1. 2 and 3. So that should be the 3 bolts here, then the 12 bolts in here, the one down in there, and now we're just going to take off this bolt here. And that's going to drop this down pretty short. There's quite a bit there to come out. Gotta hold on to that guide. Oh. There it is. There she is. That's what that looks like. So, this is now free. So in theory, it's time to whack ahead. Off we come. That's one head. Gonna show that. Whew. Well, of course, bore scoring you can't see till you're on the bottom. But we can go ahead and take these out if we wanted to. Awesome. So look at all of that. Well, why don't we flip this around? Let's take off the other head. Alright, so we'll get through this rather quickly here. We'll spin all these loose real quick before we start pulling them all out. And let's get those, get them together here. We're making small talk. Wow, this is in 20 times fast. Now, alright, so let's go ahead and let's pull off the bolts that hold on those rail guides here in the front of the case. We'll get those out here in just a jiff. And there's one. And here we go. Let's lift off this head. And voila. Here we are. So this is going to be the bank 1. This is 1, 2, and 3 cylinders. And I'm trying to rotate the engine over, and it's not rotating. And you guys can see what I can't yet. That piston number 1 has dropped down. It's not even in the bore. And I'm like, wait, what? What? I found a piece of the cylinder wall. And more of the cylinder wall. Oh boy. Yep. I know what's about to come down the pike now. We now have figured out the problem with this motor. And let's see if I can't work it around here. Yep, it's starting to become clearer and clearer what the issue is. Look how easily I can just reach my hand in and move that piston around. And so it must not even be connected at this point, I'm thinking, to
the actual crank anymore. I'm assuming it lost both crank bolts that hold the cap on, and that's why it's just spinning around in there. Alright, let's go ahead and wrap up this video of pulling the heads off of our M96 3.2 liter motor. Next video, let's split the case open and let's find out really how bad the inside of this motor is. Thanks, guys.